All right, welcome to Dean Bodie Show. Dean Bodie Show. Hey, everybody, welcome to Season 2, Episode 1. How cool is this? Good girl, Bodie. Good girl. Good girl, Bodie. Because she's the best girl in the world. Oh, yeah. DeanBodie.com is the website. Oh, yeah. 800-878-9698. We're fired up today about Season 2. Getting going. Do some fun stuff on this season. Another 100 episodes coming up. We're coming at you daily on Dean Bodie because life comes at you daily, not weekly and monthly. It's the good girl Bodie. She's the best girl in the world. It's the good girl Bodie. She's the best girl in the world. Oh, yeah. 800-878-9698. Leave something fun on the hotline, the Bodie calling line, the Bodie line. The Bodie's waiting for you line. Say your name, where you're from, something goofy, something fun. Anything that's going on in your life you want to talk about, we'll bounce off of it, believe me. The things that we have in common, you wouldn't believe. So, say your name, where you're from. I don't know. Who's calling now? Oh, wow, it's Christina. Christina's calling from Lincoln, Nebraska. Oh, cool. Wow, look, it's Bobby now. Bobby's calling. Bobby's calling from Philadelphia. Hey, wow, look at it. It's Antonio. Antonio's way over there. Where's he calling from? He's calling from Australia? Wow. All right. So, I can't smile without you. I can't laugh and I can't sleep. I'm finding it hard to do anything because I feel bad when you're bad. I feel glad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through. I just can't smile without you came along. Just like a song and brighten my day. Who'd believe that you were part of a dream? Now it all seems light years away. Because Barry Manilow is still in the house. Man, I got chills. There's so many hits from that guy, it's ridiculous. If you don't know the Barry Manilow, and you want to get into a Barry Manilow kind of vibe and shut out some of the craziness, go get those greatest hits. That'll just put you around, you'll just kind of sway around the house and just do the Barry Manilow thing. And you'll let me know how you feel by calling 800-878-9698 Manilow style. So, hope you enjoyed that. That being said, wait a minute now. There's something here that we're going to futz around with a little bit because it's kind of cool. So we're going to be leading the charge on Season 2. How do we know? Because we just sounded the leading the charge bugle. That's how. Let's do it again. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dean Bodie, Season 2. Here we come. Cool. And, hey, listen. Why did the chicken cross the road, roll around in the dirt, and come back to the other side? Because he was a dirty double crosser. Hey, the cheese sandwich walks into a bar. And it's the bartender, I'd like to have a drink. And the bartender says, oh, sorry, we don't serve food here. Hey, a mushroom walks into a bar. Mushroom says, bartender, can I have a drink? And the bartender says, we don't serve mushrooms. Mushroom says, come on, I'm a fun guy. Hey, a horse walks into a bar and the bartender says, hey, why such a long face? Oh, yeah. Dean Bodie, DeanBodie.com. Oh, man, go to the website. You got the link on there. It'll take you over to the podcast, Apple, Spotify, wherever you get podcasts. Put a nice 5-star rating and a nice review on there would be awesome. On any of the platforms that you like. Hey, that's what gets the algorithm going. That's what gets things cruising around the internet in the World Wide Web universes. Hey, tell a friend about us. Spread the word. Tell them they'll love the Dean Bodie Show and get you down Goofy Land and snap them into a good mood and let them know we're coming at them daily. Because life comes at you daily, not weekly and monthly. We got the link on the website. Take you over to the YouTube channel, DeanBodi space show, Dean Bodie Show YouTube channel. The teasers that we do earlier in the day are on there as well. That's not on the audio, but they're little short little snippets of a little bit of a preview, a little bit of, hey, how's it going? Get ready for the longer podcast, show podcast later in the day. And here's a little teaser episode for you. And we got those on a daily also. How fun is this? What kind of package you got going on over here, Dean Bodie? Wow, he does a little teaser. He does a longer one. I can listen to audio. I can watch the video. Wow, how cool is that? Hey, Millie!
Yeah, did you hear that? He's got all kinds of stuff coming up. Did you hear those funny sound effects? Yeah, that was excellent. I love it. Season 2 is starting. I'm so excited.
Wow. So that being said, hey, My Pillow guy, you're on the radar too still. Why? Because you have a commercial that's every 7.3 seconds, and it's getting a little bit weird. Maybe you need to be in a padded room. Maybe we need to put this guy in a straitjacket. All right, we got body pillows. We got Giza sheets. And the only cotton you can get it over by the Nile River where Moses said a little prayer. And I don't know, there were doves flying all over every time you go and you pick the cotton over there for the special cotton for the Giza sheets. Now we got commercials with the lady saying on the commercial, I put these Giza sheets on my bed and I almost fell asleep almost immediately. Yeah, of course, you at least had to say that, right? Because there's no way of knowing if you fell asleep immediately. It's kind of impossible to tell. And you can't even really tell if you fell asleep almost immediately. That's kind of impossible as well. What do you have, some kind of meter in your room saying immediately, almost immediately, kind of immediately, sort of almost fell asleep, almost like soon enough, and didn't quite make it till almost you got the rest? What kind of thing you got going on over there? Unless you got some kind of creepy, I don't know, significant other that hovers over you so the next morning they can go, hey, man, those Giza sheets must have really worked on you, honey, because you almost fell asleep immediately. Oh, yeah? How did you know? Because I was hovering over you and watching you. Oh, really? Oh, thanks, hon. Okay, so the point is, I got some of the products and I like them. But listen, now you're doing things that aren't even pillows anymore. You're starting to get a little carried away, Mr. My Pillow guy. Shut it down. Let's pull it back to at least once a week commercial. Can you at least do that?
Hey, Millie. Yeah, he's talking about that My Pillow guy again. Yeah, I know. Every 5 seconds, the guy's got a commercial on. It's getting a little ridiculous. I think there's something wrong with him.
You know, so who can take a sunrise? Sprinkle it with dew. Who can take a deempa-dabba zippy-dabba-doo? The Candyman. Oh, the Candyman can. The Candyman can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. Oh, unbelievable. I listened to that song today by Sammy Davis Jr. What a treat. You know, what a treat. We got all kinds of treats coming at you, don't we, today? And why don't we just give you one more treat? Hey, Alexa, play the Oompa Loompa song from Willy Wonka.
Here's Oompa Loompa from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory soundtrack by Oompa Loompa Cast on Amazon Music.
I've got a perfect puzzle for you. Oompa, loompa, doompa-dee-dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
What do you get when you guzzle down sweets?
Eating as much as an elephant eats.
What are you at, getting terribly fat?
What do you think will come of that? I don't like the look of it. Oompa, loompa,
Alexa, stop. Oh, man, how funny is that? Man, I am having way too much fun already because Dean Bodie is leading the charge on Season 2. Oh, yeah, DeanBodie.com. Oh, wow. I want to tell you a story today about, you know, those of you that don't know my background, some of the background, I did go to chiropractic school and graduated with my doctorate in chiropractic. And those of you that don't know, it's not a weekend mail-in course. It was like 7 years of my life in international boards, part 1, 2, and 3, and now there's a 4, and you take your state board, and it's not easy. Hello, not easy at all. And but a lot of training in nutrition and a lot of things. Yeah, there's a lot about the profession I think is a bunch of crazy land, just like all doctors in the world, and there's a lot of different doctors. We got doctors for your doggy. We got doctors for your head. We got doctors emergency. We got all kinds of different surgeons and specialists and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, if my tooth hurts, I don't want to go to the foot doctor, right? So my point is, not everybody knows everything. And it's good to have a good team around you, ones that are knowledgeable in different areas to help you when you're going through some hard stuff. I've been through some crises in my life where, thank God, I live in a country where the emergency care is number one. Otherwise, I would not be walking around the planet. 90% of us wouldn't be walking around the planet if it wasn't for crisis care. Let's be honest. So that being said, once the crisis is over, implement a nice, healthy lifestyle and work with your doctors, whatever it is, and try to, hopefully you can wean back off the medications, whether they're psychologicals, medications, or whether they're just to get you out of an emergency situation. And when your labs normalize, always have the conversation about reducing, coming off of them if you don't need them any longer. Hey, if you have an organ taken out of your body, or you had some major surgery where you have to be on something for the rest of your life, like if your thyroid was removed, or you had some kind of heart valve replacement, or something like that, that's different. Most of the cases aren't that extreme, and you can work with your doctor if you implement the right lifestyle and you're working together to get off of it. Your liver and kidney take a lot of stress from these synthetic drugs. Keep that in mind. That's why liver and kidney failure is number one in the country from all the medications that we take. Oh yeah, and over time, the liver and kidneys break down. That being said, it's always good, again, have the right team around you. Once the crisis is over, you should be working together to turn the thing around the other way, if possible. Wow, dropping knowledge. So that's why I refer to myself as Dr. D once in a while, because I lived that life for a while. Not anymore. Now, we do help people with lifestyle stuff. We bring it to the Dean Bodie Show. And listen, we're going to help you in any way that we can. I've been through my own crises in my life, whether psychologically or going through things and major anxiety problems up to this day. Depersonalization, derealization, I fight through it on a daily basis. The monsters come. I've had to go on things to get out of a crisis. And then with natural remedies, thank God, exercise, I've been able to wean myself off. And that's why I talk to you like this. Life experiences. We don't make stuff up over here, Dean Bodie. We come at you real. I go through it. Diagnosed with bipolar. I was on some psychotic meds for a while. I didn't know what was wrong with me. I thought that I could get my chemistry balanced out, and I thought I was doing the right things nutritionally, but I went through a breakdown. So you do what you got to do to function in your life and get through the crisis. And once you start to get things balanced out and you're implementing a good, healthy lifestyle, exercise, etc., you start weaning the other way. And that's what I did. I weaned myself off. Brain chemistry is a lot better, but I had to get through the crisis more than once in my life. Do what you got to do. But you don't have to do it forever. If you're not implementing a good, healthy lifestyle, then you probably will. But you got to get at least the food dialed in. We talk about that. The most powerful drug in the world begins with an F and ends with a D. It's called food. You supplement your diet with the supplement. It's called the supplement for a reason, because it supplements the diet. It's not there to take the place of it. Food, good quality supplementation, nice whole food, multi-mineral, chelated minerals, so your body absorbs it at the cellular level. Healthy cells, healthy you. Exercise is major. The chemicals your body produces and the chemistry that gets produced when you exercise is major. You start to balance your nervous system out. Your nervous system controls your whole body. You got to take care of it, right? So proper sleep, keeping the stress down, having that well-balanced day-to-day is going to get you down the road better. Have good communication with the doctors around you, whoever the doctor is, that when you start doing the right things. And big point here, if your MD is not telling you about good nutrition and eating a healthy lifestyle, then find somebody who does. This way, when your labs start to change, you can talk to your MD about reducing. Because if the numbers are normal and you're off the med, well, that's what that is. You're normal. You don't need it. You don't just take something just in case something happens. You don't just take stuff just because somebody says, hey, you should be on it because this is how old you are. You don't just be on something just because Mary down the street is on it, and she says it helped her, means that you have to be on it. Everybody is different. The broad strokes for a lot of things are the same, but the ones that change your lifestyle, eat a healthier diet, good supplementation and are exercising, whole different body, whole different functioning body. Take that for what it is. We just wanted to throw that at you and, this and that. But I wanted to tell you a story I had one time, and it's a true story about the time when I had a really bad, basically nervous breakdown in California, and I went through a serious episode of anxiety, depersonalization, derealization. And it scared the daylights out of me. I had palpitations. I thought I was having a heart attack. It turned out that it wasn't. It was just adrenaline, trapped adrenaline going haywire, and it feels like a heart attack. So they put me on Xanax. And let me tell you, it calmed me right down, and I was like, wow. I couldn't believe the difference. It really got me through the crisis, right? But then when I started taking it and ran out of my prescription, I had some withdrawals that I really thought I was going to die. That's how intense that was. That being said, before I moved back to Florida, I had a refill on that so I can get back in one piece because I was really a mess. And the doctor and I discussed what it probably was, and the withdrawal totally made sense. So when I got back, I got into the exercise thing all over again. I got into the gym. I got on the bicycle. And I started to, little by little, cleaning up the diet and weaning off of the Xanax little by little. You don't just dump something in the garbage. Your body starts to get used to it. You got to do it the proper way, but you have to replace it with the opposite intensity, if that makes sense. You got to find something that's equally, intense the other way, that's healthy, to combat the other and give your body the chemistry it needs to fix itself. You got to put your body in that environment so it can heal itself. You got to put your body in an area where it can mend and repair. And that's what I did, and I weaned myself off of it and never looked back. It's amazing what you can do if you get it dialed in. But you do it the right way with the help of your doctor, and you gradually reduce it, and you're implementing all the right things. That's how you do it. It takes time. It takes time, and anything worthwhile takes work, and you got to do it. You can do it because I did it. And I'm just sharing you one of my stories, and I thought that if it's going to help anybody out there today on episode 1, season 2, then I thought that I would pull that on you and, make your day a little bit better with the Oompa Loompa song, right? So, good girl Bodhi, good girl Bodhi. She's the best girl in the world, oh yeah. DeanBodhi.com, 800-878-9698. It's the Bodhi hotline, the Bodhi fun line, the Bodhi call-in it line. Call it. Say something fun on there. Say something nice to Bodhi. She's waiting for you. And don't forget to click the like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell because you don't want to miss any of these shows. Those are the reminders. You don't want to miss any of these shows. These are real shows. And let me tell you, man, we're going to have a great season. And let's see what's going on here, Dean Bodhi. We don't want to shortchange anybody in Dean Bodhi show. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, da-da-da, zabba-dee-ba-da-da, ba-ba-da-ba-ba, ba-ba-da-ba, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, ya-da-dee-da-da-da-ba-da, za-da-doo, da-dee, dippity-da-ba-da-ba-da, zappa-da-boo-ba. And in the celebratory fashion, I was going to do this yesterday, and, I wanted to play the celebration song. Not only does it take me back to a senior skip day in high school, but it's just good stuff. And we are celebrating season 2, episode 1. And we can't thank you enough for sticking with us all the way through those 100 episodes on season 1, all the way through. No editing, daily, consecutive, 100 in the can on season 1. Hey, man, we did it. We did it together. So, Alexa, play Celebration by Kool and the Gang.
Celebration by Kool and the Gang on Amazon Music.
anyway, we're celebrating over here, and I'm a little choked up right now because I'm really happy the way things are going. The numbers are going up every day. We're leading the charge with season 2. Oh yeah! Let's make it a great day. We're going to have a great week this week, the rest of the week. And remember, deanbodie.com is the website. And we're here for you. We got the link on there, Apple, Spotify, wherever you get podcasts. And the social link will be on there too. Put your email on there to get on the subscription list, be in our list. And as we're compiling. And the DEANBODI space show, Dean Bodie Show YouTube channel. Have an awesome day. DeanBodie.com.